Meaning of fair copy.
Fair copy.
Fair copy.
Fair copy.
Fair copy. A fair copy refers to a final version of a written document that has been edited and corrected for errors, and is considered to be the definitive or official version. It is usually presented in a neat and legible format with consistent spacing and margins. A fair copy is often used as a reference or source document, and may be required for legal or professional purposes. The process of creating a fair copy involves careful attention to detail and may involve multiple rounds of editing and revision to ensure accuracy and clarity.